In front of me, I've got 4 Formula 1 cars, 2 from Mini GT and 2 from Sparky, 2 from Sergio Perez. This one is also Sergio Perez. And 2 from Max Verstappen, winner of the Grand Prix in Abu Dhabi. I'm not a Formula 1 expert, but I do like Formula 1 cars. So what we're going to do, unboxing, review, compare. Already did a review about these 2 from Sparky. They are both in a 1/64 scale and they come with a driver inside. So first we're going to look at the ones from Mini GT. You can see they're still in the plastic. So for me, it's also a prize what I will find. Well, I know it's a Formula 1 car, of course, but how will it look? And is there a driver inside? Looks like it if I see the package. Oh, let's have a look at the box first. Yeah, we can see Mini GT is active on the social media. Here we got the back, freeze the frame if you want to read it. We can see it's an officially licensed product. That is what we like. Here some more information, freeze the frame if you want to read it. We've got the other side, we can see the scale. Now, let's open up the box. I'm a big fan of box packaging. This was the one from Max Verstappen. Okay, let's put this here. Okay, I'm already glad that there is a driver inside. We switch to detail mode camera. Good rolling wheels, P0 tires. Now, like I said before, I'm not a Formula 1 expert, so I can't tell you if this is all right. What we see here, okay, some antennas are missing here in the front, but hey, this is a 1/64 scale, my friends. It's not easy to put those small antennas on the car, on the Formula 1 car, in a 1/64 scale. I think, yes, this is a plastic base. Mini GT, it says. Tires are made out of rubber. Here we got the brake light, if I'm right. Spoiler. And here we got the helmet of Max. Okay, now let's have a look at the one from Sergio Perez. Here we got the package, 3rd place. There we go. So yes, of course, we have a different helmet. Let's zoom in a little bit. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do it like this. And then I try to zoom like this so I can get a nice close-up. in my opinion, it is very well detailed. Oh, my camera is focusing on a lot, except for the part that we are looking at. Yeah, basically the same as the one from Verstappen. Let's have them both together. So helmets are different, of course. Are there some differences at the car? I don't think so. The expert maybe knows. Honda, Red Bull. Okay, so here we got 11 and here we got 1. That's one difference. And that's the same as here in the front. 1 and 11. Advertising is the same. And the base is also the same. Now, let's have a look. Yeah, this is Max Verstappen because this is 1. Now, let's have a look at the one from Spark. Okay, so I already see some, let's switch to normal mode and also get a lot of sunlight now at the moment from outside. First of all, I see a difference. This is the one from Spark. Feels also a little bit lighter. It has also a different color, but that is also possible because it's a different race. So this here on the left side from Mini GT, okay, now the sun is gone, looks a little bit more black. This one looks way more dark blue. Then we have the one from Mini GT. You see the front spoiler right here. It has a carbon fiber look. And also here we got a carbon fiber look. With the one from Sparky, it is just black. Also, the mirrors from the one from Mini GT has decals on it. And here the one from Sparky is just black. Then we got those wings here on the, I believe it's the air intake. Sparky don't have them. Yeah, they both don't have the antennas. Here it's basically the same. Then the side. Okay, so we have here it says SO, here it says mobile. That is possible because it's from a different race. I also like the rims from Mini GT a little bit more. They both have P0 tires, but you see the red ring around the rim and the yellow in the middle. Sparky don't have that. So in my opinion, the one from Mini GT, here also the brake light has a green color. Sparky here on the left doesn't have it. Sparky do has silver color. Is that the exhaust? I really don't know. Mini GT doesn't have that. Not sure if the real one is silver. Yeah, and also here on the side, Mini GT works with carbon, and Sparky it's just black plastic. The one from Mini GT, if we look at the helmet, let's do it like this. We look at the helmet, I hope you can see it. There is a little bit difference. My camera has a little bit difficult to focus. Let's do it again like this. See, there is a little bit of difference on the helmet. Yeah. Anyways, the one from Mini GT has a lot more details. Feels also a little bit heavier. Better rims. Carbon fiber looking here on the spoilers and in the front. And here on the side. Brake light is painted. Okay, I give a point for Sparky for have the silver exhaust. But in my opinion, the one from Mini GT looks a little bit better, although it is not silver. So yeah, let me know what you think about these Formula 1 cars. And which one do you prefer? The one from Sparky? What's the one from Sparky? Yeah, you definitely... Wait a minute. I have an ID. So, very simple. We do it like this. 0. This is the one from Sparky. Oop. 90 gram it is, and this is the one from Mini GT, and that one is 30 gram. So that's, for me, that's a big difference. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, tell your friends about my channel, and I'll see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.